I'm Sara Del Rey, and this is your Throwdown Lowdown. Now we all know High Noon was seen coast to coast. In this week's clip, Jigsaw is going to go coast to cost with this dropkick on El Generico.
Jigsaw in the south corner of the building. The Terminator on the leg! He's got the leg hooked.
This is why I love CHIKARA. Let's see that again.
Jigsaw in the south corner of the building. Terminator on the leg! He's got the leg hooked.
That entire match was a bonus feature on High Noon, the DVD, available right now at smartmarkvideo.com. I'm Sara Del Rey. See you back here next week. Throwdown Lowdown.